Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with another vlog. I miss y'all so much. Yesterday I did a video. Well, by the time when I watch this, the video that I go up, no. I'm gonna put up this video first, then I'm gonna put up that video. That's the video when I did that telling and say, hey, wait on it, because when no one I go want to see when I did get and all of that. So that's another video. One really I go see, really I go want to see, but guess what? Them spoil my plans, because me think me did I go just go there and get it, but then them said no, them I go deliver it, and all of that. So me they are waiting on them for deliver it. I'm not sure if they're gonna come and deliver it today or tomorrow, but I should think it's today, because I that them tell me. But you know Jamaicans, you know how them stay. But good morning. Today is another beautiful day. I'm here to tell you guys, I look through my window and it just, if you know me, you know me love nature. I'm here to tell you the butterfly them and the bird them, it's something for just look at. But growing up, I always hear people say, you know, when bird come in your yard and cat love you and dog love you, it means something, means you're one good person or something like that. And I believe so too. But me not tell no lie. You know how you go outside and the bird them run? My bird them don't run. Well, I know my bird them, but the bird them don't run. The least we happen is when we step in the grass, the butterfly them we fly up, because a butterfly that. But the bird them not fly away, them not move, them just did their mind them own business. And a morning time they come to the side of the house and them chirp, me I tell you, like, and it sounds so good. Gonna go on the road today. Jason, come here, baby. So my baby is here with me. I look underwear.
Swan fish or swan I want different type of
baby can't ask me that on camera.
Swan a bird.
You have to wait till me off camera so I can't tell a foolishness and nobody in the ear.
People, swan is a fish or swan is a bird though?
Swan is a bird.
Put them syrup on water top.
So if you know why I ask.
No, me ask if I that them doing a storybook them. Then swim on the top of
Good
water.
morning. How you feeling today?
You know what, answer my question.
How you feeling today though?
Like somebody playing.
Come here. How you feeling?
Like somebody has style for me.
You need to go to the barber, you know that?
No, I don't know
and
that.
get your hair comb.
No, I don't see like I know.
And all of that.
And, yo.
Talk to us. Tell us how you feeling. How you feeling? How you feeling?
I'm feeling.
Stop looking at me.
I call already.
Babe, don't ever tell me something bloated.
Oh, you're guilty or something?
Okay.
Come on, never go say.
I promise somebody I go carry home ice cream themed yesterday. I never get a chance to.
You never get a chance, I just never did.
I didn't get a chance to. Babe, which one did I come from? For carry ice cream from this side of Melto?
Never look for your mouth when you attack it.
No. What you love about me the most?
The fact that you always try to buy ice cream from me, but you never get it when I want it.
Stop. How you love that?
Yeah, come here, me end up having to go buy it for myself now.
You know I love you? You know I really love you?
I wonder if I true.
I appreciate you.
No, if you ask them,
I really appreciate you. You just make me feel like, Jason just make me feel like a little woman.
Me?
Yeah, you make me feel like me grown. When me do this stuff and you just admire me. When me in the kitchen, him can sit down in the couch and I peep in the kitchen. Babe, what you really do? Watch the pot or watch me?
Both.
But guys, I'm doing my best to like cheer him up. You know, ensure I'm happy. Me really do my part. You good now? You're good this morning. After you lay down underneath my arm all night last night and I rub up. I go up on the road today. 2 hours I go up on the road. I go finish get some stuff for my mommy wedding. Like, not for her wedding, but for me, for the wedding. So I go up on the road today. I need to get Jason a nice black belt. Because the black belt we have now, I really love it. Like, belt with big buckle. Well, not really big buckle, but you know them Gucci buckle there. Me really love it. And I really want me love, but you know, I would love to see him in something else, and me go buy it. Me want to see him in there, so me go buy it. Him buy what him like, and me would just love to see him in a one belt like that, so me I go buy it today for him. I need to go and get that, and just some few little stuff, you know. So I go up on the road, and then I go get Jason ice cream and cake and all of that. Okay, so when time me start, me sweat. It's when time me start want stuff, when I go hear about it, because it now go done right here. So see my go on, guys. I'm gonna catch up my ear now. You know, look tree bad. You know, look tree bad. I don't talk the truth. And my ear grow back. You know, look at me. I get my little ponytail back.
Yeah, people. So we're gonna left out now. Somebody could have tell me say I saw eBay thief. I order one little $33 watch for eBay and say, alright, then I look forward to get it because I don't know which part else in Jamaica I get that little watch there. Them name Casio. I think the first time I ever saw one of Prince buy me this one, but I like them. I think one of my next budget have one too. Order the something say it has sent off. Then the something say it in a transit. Then all of a sudden me here say it's something I return to the seller. So now, me go order something and me never requested something return to seller. And you return. So eBay rob me. I text up our Instagram. I contact the seller too, because they have the space they provided. And nobody no link me back. So I learned my lesson. I'm glad this happened with the watch though, because at eBay me actually they have order me computer pan. So you see, because of all of that eBay, you just miss out on board $1,700 US.
1,700?
Yeah, the computer they there.
Wow.
Yeah, I have upload problems. My computer take one nearly 2 hours for export now. That is too long. Yeah. New computer take 10 to 15 minutes. I wait 2 hours for one computer. No, bro.
Good. I know something about man who don't wear cologne and still just smell good.
Or me a try lyrics.
No, Jason have sinus, so him really not wear cologne, but the scent the way you just have, your body scent.
My teeth they make you look so
no,
wet.
No, I'm not about your teeth.
My teeth don't make you wet.
My
teeth don't make you so wet.
No. You know that your body scent just nice. But guys, we're ready. We're gonna leave out now for go in the town and get few stuff done. Jason want him ice cream. You want your ice cream?
Yo, you see when somebody promises something, you're not even supposed to ask for it.
I never see bump until we go up on the road.
That always make my face swell up when I go up on the road.
If we just sit down on a cool, I never used to bus bump, you know. I don't know when we get them started.
It's come like when I go to your mother clean out your face. When I go on my face,
Come on. Them say enough for bus bump in a people.
Look how she do my face.
Them say enough for bus bump in a people's face.
Them say me slap me.
If you glad to me love you, you know.
As soon as I'm going to tell me, I report you to the station.
In your ears.
Here I know. And your wife upon my shirt. No, don't do that, babe. Babe, no say I don't respite. Babe, I have...
You look sweet.
Whatever, like.
Alright, guys, we're gonna leave out now. Soon come back. Well, now come with me. Not sure. I could see what happened.
I can't breathe in this to talk to you. So right now we're in our store. It named Chick and Trent. There's a big up Chick and Trent. There's an Angel there in her shop for wedding dress because her mama get married in it. So you know the good faithful husband have to sit down and watch her do them stuff. But thank God she start decide on so I'm gonna make see her when she come out. Oh shoot. She come out like a while. I'm not gonna get to see. Oh, but she get the dress now. Alright, so.
Let's do that thing twice.
She better know say I want ice cream today for all of this so I go through. Chow. I don't know who does pray for me for the vlog like a while, but God know. Prayer change things. Alright, thank you here. Yes. Come on. Come, babe. Oh, yeah, get no. Happy, happy, happy. Happy in the Lord. Alright, what we get now? Eh?
I don't know, babe.
Food? No, man, I could have eating there before.
Where's all the fun? Oh, your belt.
Yeah. I look belt now.
Alright, guys. So, we finally reached home. I'm here to tell you we beat out. Come on, bed and eat. I don't know, we're easy back. Just over there, so I try to make me get some of my video clips.
Listen, babe, I'm gonna buy ice cream for you. 2 weeks pass, no cream. Not even a bag juice, not even a bag of water.
Babe, I'm not buy your food.
Bro, ice cream one.
I'm not buy your belt.
Babe, when you ask me for something specifically, I get it. So why don't we get it anymore?
Babe, I didn't remember.
So what, you see, you know you remember. Why
It
you
was
not
nice,
just... No,
sweetie.
I don't understand.
It was nice, sweetie.
You know, I don't understand. You give you what you want, but when I ask you more, you give me other things and then say, you give me that. I don't know.
I understand.
So
I'm gonna definitely get you some ice cream tomorrow.
You're gonna try, because I not believe you.
Alright, tomorrow you'll see.
What flavor?
Your favorite cookie and cream.
Or vanilla?
Guys, me not lie, you save me.
See what?
Babe, you sure you're not proud of me?
Me? You see anytime you're a problem to come? I'm gonna just lie there like a sweet princess. So you're not gonna remember say you have a boring the world. And then you're gonna look, hey!
Hey, you're gonna say if you bypass me. I'm your wife.
Not yet. Not yet, lady.
Man.
Not yet.
But guys, we didn't do much today. I got my dress. Jason did I record that to my son. I can see that in the vlog. I buy Jason a belt.
You
And
don't have to tell him say my mom. Tell him when you buy me ice cream. Don't have to tell him.
whatever, babe.
Don't babe.
But no.
I'm a broker. You're not treat me like a babe. A babe get what they want.
And guys, which part we did that to them? I couldn't take out my phone in the
You
town.
bypass me.
Jason always say, babe, put up your phone. So I never take out my phone for even try for record.
So, you know, it's so-
Jason, you broke my concentration. So Jason they take out the camera and I record when we're in the store. But I got a dress, nothing too much, you know, simple. When I buy clothes, it's hard. I'm not like, it's too hard.
You know, hard. Angel is very pickish and choosish. And if somebody did to tell Angel say, yes, this video, she doesn't buy anything. So you know me, you know, say, when me hear just start talk. You know what me talk? Alright.
I got me a make.
Alright.
Guys, this tastes good. I'm not like.
Mm-hmm. So that's how you sweets up nothing.
You know how long I eat sweets? When?
You want to eat sweets a long time, I imagine you get that bag of this now.
No, I'm not too long time to pookie them with the tongue.
If this reach to pookie them, I'll let you all know. If not, you have a couple of that bag.
Guys, I carry down some for my sister. And then tomorrow I go down. But guys, JC there. May I try to do a good job with JC now, but boy, may I tell you, JC not OD for me. Baby, you want me? I try me now and put it in the fan. Guys, JC not OD for me. JC want me to get a moon for him.
You know, the only thing I ask.
Babe, no. Let me tell you.
yeah,
No,
ask
let me tell you. When we start, like, if we start give him comfort and I pet him up, he want pizza, he want this.
I not even like pizza.
So just like give you an example.
Like that means you
You
have to
want
like.
everything.
You're
You're paid in the watch.
Huh?
You're paid in the watch.
I want a resistance.
You're paid in the watch.
I want a resistance.
How much you pay for it?
I don't buy it.
Oh, buy.
I'm a woman.
Which woman?
Bro, do you buy what?
Oh. Oh, my
That's
God.
okay.
I just remember.
You just remember?
Mm-hmm.
You ever take them bag of sweets, yeah?
And now I make it to my vlogs again. Go and try. We can go and chat.
Jade it me out people. I just the same thing again. Like, don't give a joke about that. I don't remember me this we can't say for your brother. How again?
Guys, Jason make one story time on him channel and I go see it. May I upload before you? Oh, yeah, upload before me. My head mad sick, you hear? Don't play with me, you hear me?
Stop pointing on my face.
Blacker. Cola dia with the pina colada. So guys, what I said to Jason on his vlog, that's how I feel. I have nothing to say. I have nothing more to say in regards to the situation because I cannot do that. I cannot dwell on that. You know, I try my best for there for Jason. I just try my best for like, you know, comfort him in his feelings every now and then. Jason is a person like this who really don't dwell upon certain stuff. So the vlogger for just basically showing me say things good, you know, it might not good mentally. Me honestly, what I said and that's it. I don't have no more to say in regards to the situation. I tell him exactly how I feel and I tell him what I know woulda or can help him. How me would I deal with the situation. But if anybody at all deal with a certain situation like that, then them good. You just don't go back in our environment where you know you can't heal properly in a. Take the time for yourself because if you don't take time to try to heal or whatever, you cannot do what you love. You can't go get to sit down and make your videos, and if you do make your videos, you just look droopy in there and all of that. So you get yourself together. I'm not say if you brush it off because me not feel it, so me no want to come off selfish, you know, because me never in a situation. Me no know how it feel like, you know. So me can't tell yourself to just brush it off, but at the same time do stuff where me can remember about it. You know, and eventually things are gonna get better. So for everybody who asked me how I feel about it, what I said in Jason's video, that's it. Nothing more to it. That's how I feel about the situation, and that's how I would want Jason to deal with the situation. Now saying can't add few little touches to it, but me now gonna sit down and allow him to do something foolish. I'm not gonna do it. And if me see him do it, me will wile him up about it. You know, because when man and woman live together, me supposed to can talk to Jason and him listen, and Jason supposed to can talk to me and me listen. So make the whole situation stay. Forget about it. If you want back your friendship, go ahead, get back your friendship. Nothing wrong. I'm doing my part. So, you know, help me to do my part good. Because if you continue, if you always go back and I get hurt, like go back in the same environment and I remember about it, or always if you do stuff where it go spark another thing, then you make it bad for me, because me I do my part to help you. And if you sad, I am sad, and if you're happy, I am happy, and that's it. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're there a long time, thanks for chat the journey with me. Road to 50k. Bye guys.